2021 Acura NSX Redesign, Engine, and Price. The redesigned 2021 Acura NSX is almost ready for production. According to the reports from Honda's luxury department, the upcoming model will debut in the second half of the year. The brand new NSX will carry a sportier look, based on racing cars from the mid-90s. Moreover, the Japanese automaker will reduce the price when the sales begin, to attract more buyers. However, the competition is ferocious. But, the company counts on striking design, opulent cabin, and a powerful engine to establish good and recognizable styling. On top of that, this high-performance vehicle will include the upgraded Type R version, and probably the hybrid model as well. 2021 Acura NSX Redesign. Although the 2021 Acura NSX is listed as a next-gen vehicle, there will be some elements shared with the current model. But, if you look closely, you'll find some unique details and design solutions that are completely new and exclusive to the 2021 version. The design language is pretty similar to the ongoing model, but you'll notice the wider construction of the front fascia. Also, new NSX comes with a redesigned grille and bumpers which will be placed deeper on the front side. Furthermore, 2 rows of headlights will add to the overall futuristic design. The same case is with the remodeled tail lights at the back. Also, the available bright orange body color will enhance even further the sporty design and style. Besides, the front air intake mesh and the mesh on the rear bumper will have the same paint. The higher trims will add red iron brakes to the standard orange calipers. As for the cabin, Acura claims that the NSX will include the tech improvements that can't be found in any similar racing car. At the moment, the company did not reveal what kind of upgrades will the 2021 NSX will get. But, we know that the L Studio Premium Audio will be included, as well as new parking sensors and aluminum pedals. Engine specs. Under the hood of the forthcoming 2021 Acura NSX will be a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 powertrain. This mill generates 573 HP and 476 lb-ft of torque. The engine will be linked to a 9-speed automatic gearbox, and the all-wheel drive will come as a standard option. Furthermore, NSX will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. The top speed is rated at 191 miles per hour. As for the estimated fuel economy, the precise ratings are still unknown. But, the automotive experts assume that the 3.0-liter mill will be able to return 21-20 seconds mpg city/highway. Also, there will be a 4-motor electric SHAWD setup, but for now, that is just a rumor. 2021 Acura NSX release date and price. 2021 Acura NSX will deliver severe improvements and technology updates. Therefore, we expect to see a range of price packages for the trim levels, varying from $1,500 for the base model to $4,700 for the higher trim levels. But, the official price is still unknown. 2020 NSX has a starting price of around $159.50. That price refers to the model without any additional equipment. The release date is scheduled later this year, probably after the 2020 Tokyo Car Show. However, we still waiting for the official info from the Japanese company.